you said you have been talking about the investors for the last 18 months for raising the funds. I'd like to ask, what kind of investors are you looking for? I'd like to ask from the other side, because I'd like to ask this question because I know some people from conventional industries, they have huge amounts of money, and now they see the importance of internet. They see Markofoni, Trendyol, and they see that, okay, if in 1 year, 2 years, these companies can make huge amounts of money for which they did this same amount of money in 20 years, they would like to invest in internet, and they have money. And I mean, some people also approach to me. They know I'm working in internet, and hey, I have this money. I would like to invest in that. I mean, would you consider this kind of people as your investors? What do you think about it?
Well, we can't raise money in Turkey. Our investors are international. That's one challenge we have. It's mostly high net worth individuals. We did try our luck with some institutions. It didn't work out for this one. For the next one, it will be hopefully bigger, and institutions will come in. But we are open for investors who want to, come and talk to us. We can try to help them. But it's the type of investor who should understand what VC investing is, because what we see is that's why it took us 18 months, right? In Turkey, you have a lot of people who have access to money, but they are really used to making easy profits with that money. Just living in the bank gives you some decent profits, or just buying real estate. In the last few years, we saw a great real estate boom, so they made great amounts of money with no risk. A VC, an investor into a VC fund should know that they can lose all that money, and they should be okay with that. I'm not saying that we will lose that money, but they should be comfortable with that concept. So which means they should be big enough and they should be diversified enough, right? They shouldn't put their whole nest egg in a VC fund. They should have real estate investments already, they should have gold, whatever investment, they should have some money in the bank, and then they should consider VCs as an alternative investment. And this actually takes a very sophisticated investor. And that's the type of investor you don't see in Turkey often. They don't feel very comfortable with the notion of losing money.